Ay mga ka-farmers, if you're starting off farming, I know one of the challenges will be spending for fencing the entire area of your farmland. Na-experience ko nito. And I'm sure you have considered the numbers already. But in this video, I'm going to share a cost-efficient or malaki ang savings nyo dito if you're just going to look into it. Wait up, let's get into how to create fences with natural resources in our farm. Enjoy! Alright, so we're here sa Kalibunan. We're gathering wood for our native fence. That's Jimbo over there, clearing the area. By the way guys, mao ni ang panyawan. This one. Mao na panyawan, we have full supply of panyawan. Panyawan liniment, oh. Matod panjunji na nagbitay. So in areas like this, you have to be very careful. Basin niyang naay snakes around the area. So you have to be careful. As I told you kanina, lagi may nakita ang bitin, oh. There's available snake. So you have to be very careful.
Wala na siya, sir.
Ha?
Wala na siya, basta mangisog mo na barog na.
Oh. Native fencing.
Ayo abo. Wala. Pero mo. Muwa dilo yo. Ano na?
So this is how we do it. Our native fencing. Okay. So just to protect your crops, you have to make a fence. So a few of our neighbors have goats, cows, and carabaos.
Okay.
Okay. What Junji is smoking is also a native lumboy leaf with tobacco. Okay. So that it can be easily mounted. Jimbo is creating a He's nailed it. Nailed it! Yan lang kasimple. Cost savings na fencing. So removing some parts of the it's actually a palm leaf. I'll just put it on the top right side, whatever tree type that is. That's a palm leaf actually, and it has thorns on the edges. Locally we call it as buli. Right, there you go. Let's take a closer look of what I said earlier about a thorny part of the leaf. I mean, yeah, that's right there. So you have to face it where the people will get or try to pass through. So if you get in contact with these thorns, it's very sharp. It's like a crocodile teeth on the edges there. So that area there is our farm. This area here is from our neighbor's side. So you have to secure your crops and avoid problems. Okay. Jagged teeth. There, that's a bully tree right there in front of your screen. We're using its leaves. It's actually thorny. It will act as if it's a barbed wire. Okay. Very convenient. No cost at all. Available resources in our farm. Now it is made into a fence, just like that. Right? Alright! Ano sa tingin nyo? Cost savings, di ba? So, you just have to use the natural resources around your farmland to create a fence. Okay? If you're new to farming, I would like to ask you to watch the movie Kiss the Ground in Netflix. You will learn a lot of things about what's happening and what other farmers are doing internationally. Okay? If you want me to cover a topic, put it in the comment section. Also, if you find it informative, share to your friends, press the like button, and also, if I may ask, please subscribe. Take care guys, and until our next video. Ciao!